I'm going to just say, this is not the brand of bug spray I prefer. I prefer Hot Shots. It sprays foam 25 feet, doesn't leak all on me. Rid of bug. Okay, I don't know. But I've got some spiders in here that have moved in since I haven't been in here getting the corners cleaned up like I normally do. I'm going to find those wall spray, but I'm going to have to run back in for my Hot Shot because I'm sorry. That stuff sticks and holds. I mean, I can use them around the bunny cages and not touch my bunnies, right? It depends. They love some hutches. But like the struggle's real, y'all. Wasps. It's like a wasp invasion. I haven't even gotten into the corner yet inside my milking room. I'm going to have to do a lot of cleaning, a lot of dusting, and a lot of sanitizing. But give me another day. This barn gonna be sparkling, and I can actually use a new paint in here too. So, oh, there's a spider needs to go. I don't even know what you are. Okay, and if you're one of those people gonna complain about the spiders, hey, if they come into my territory, it's all, the game's over. Okay, if they stay outside, they good. They come in here, different start. Find a new home. Not mine. Okay. Back to cleaning. I kicked the girls out. They're free flowing out there on the property. I'll show you. Here they are. I let them out. That way I can come in here and clean with the door open. Gets a little humid in here. And the goat boys on the other side, they're having a fit because they see the girls out. It's not fair. Okay, well, I'm gonna get off here. See, I don't film all day. One, I'm not going through all that footage. And two, I need my tunes. So let me turn on my Sirius and get some tunes going and help me clean this a lot faster. Because I got some poo to shovel. I still have to get the room cleaned up. And then I got a lot of hay to move for the new hay to get into the hay barn. So I'll stack a bunch in here and some at the other barns, coops and such. Whew. Struggle is real. Look at this. Oh no, it gets worse. Hold on a second. Look at that. Millet. All right, so at least I had this closed. It was my black sunflower seed. Those I set them in here because I didn't have another container. Okay. Ooh, there's another wasp. Oh, he got to go. You gotta go, buddy. No. Found another home. Woo. All right, I'm gonna have to go get the fan. Here we are. 50-pound bag of wheat bran. And I'm not happy. And also, my bag of millet. You know the price of millet nowadays? Anyway, so I guess everybody gets bran today because not all of this is gonna be put back in the bin. Yeah. Okay. Well, yeah. And also whatever it was went and knocked a bunch of stuff off, even opened up the tape deck. So I'm pretty sure it was a raccoon because I had something scotching the door and it would have took a raccoon to move that. So, whew, I need to take a break and get something cool to drink. In the meantime, I'm gonna come and check everybody, give them a welfare check. Hey, Piney boy, you're so gorgeous. Love his beard. Give everybody a welfare check. Go ahead and refresh everybody's water. This is when I'm really happy that my husband and my son put in a water system for me. Whew. Oh, the breeze feels good in the shade. We're gonna have some good peaches. There are some apricots on that tree. Hey, buddy. How'd you get in here, huh? Would you like to get out? This chicken's gotta be scary. Alrighty. Attention hog. We are back in business here in the room. I'll take another day to finish sanitizing everything, but just checking the weight on everybody. This is Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea is my main queen now. She used to be the baby. But a few years ago, everyone, cattle, breeders, goat people, we had a coccidia issue. The weather, the rain, it was just horrible. I got lucky. A fellow horse breeder got me onto a med that really helped when everything else was either off market now or just not available. So she does have a little bit of intestinal damage, and it's been a little bouncing up and down the last few years to keep her weight up. And you know, so let her eat all she can right now. She needs to put on about 5 pounds, and that's being generous. She's down about 3. She's usually around 75 pounds. She's at 72 and a half, but I like to see her put on a little bit more weight. So I'm gonna let her become a plump girl for a little while. That'll help her. But it's so quick for goats to go down in weight, but my golly, it takes forever to get them back up. So if I start seeing them dip a little bit, the younger ones, the ones that haven't had a problem, don't seem it. And she never had a problem, but I'm seeing that she's down on minerals, so we'll get everybody reboosted with copper, because I noticed her copper level really tanked, so I might actually up her dose a little more than I normally did over winter. And everyone missed their spring dosing, so depends on how you do it. So many months, I won't go into that. But anyway, it's hot. The only thing I have left to do is clean the stalls. And honestly, I think I'm gonna give a quick pass through and then finish up tomorrow morning because I am exhausted. I look a hot mess. Now, if you're interested in a large scale, this has been wonderful.
I bought it back in 2014 for about $100 off Amazon. It's a WC Redmond Precision Digital Pet Scale. It's been wonderful, and it runs off just a couple AA batteries.
Stop, 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 stop. Stop, stop. Stop, stop, stop. Nope, nope. Stand up, stand up. I need a little squirt. Just a little squirt. There you go. Nothing in that one. Come on, give me a little bit. There we go. Alrighty. Alright. I'll set that there. As long as it doesn't turn blue, we're good. And it's not. Whew. Now, I need to cut grass. I might try to do it a little later. Get the push mower. My asthma's so bad this year, and the allergies. And of course, the number one thing that I have an allergy to is grass. So it's hard for me to cut it, but I will do it. All right, well, I guess I'm gonna call this the end. And you see that empty bucket. Nothing was in it. It was goat feed mix. But I'm gonna call this the day. It is so steamy, so I'm gonna get myself cooled down, something cool to drink, and then get back on that. And then I can go ahead and clean out their stalls, get some fresh hay from the hay barn that needs to be moved. Hi, ladies. And one gent. Right there. But yeah, let's call it a day. I know a little later on, once the sun goes down, I will try to recover what is a garden and some raised beds. All right, have a good one, guys.